Kids, please unmute yourself and turn on your cameras. We have Sabiha with us. Good morning, Sabiha. How are you?
Hi, man. How are you?
Yeah, nobody's turned on their cameras. Any answer? Huh? Whether we have siblings?
Yeah, ma'am. I have siblings.
Are you the eldest?
No, ma'am. I'm the middle. I have a younger and elder sister.
That's nice. Baisha also? Okay. So, something nice, interesting before we start with our exercise. Want to share something? Want to tell something? Any kind of riddle? Any joke? Anything? It seems to be a little lazy today. Everybody is very laid back. Why is it so? No, you're solving the question. Like I thought my sentence is true. Okay, one riddle from my end. What is a city where nobody stays? There's one city where nobody stays.
Electricity. Electricity.
Yes, you're doing electricity.
Ma'am,
electricity.
I also. Ma'am, I have one. Should I ask? Which room can you never enter?
What? Which is the?
Which room you can never enter?
I didn't get you. You
Room.
can never.
No. My question is, which room can you never enter?
I'm missing the first word. Which something is what I'm missing. Which can
Yeah.
never
In
enter.
which room you can never
room.
enter?
Okay, which room which we can never enter? Room.
Yeah.
Room.
No.
But we can enter broom also, na? But that is not a room. Okay, that's a room. Bathroom? No, we can enter to bathroom. Washroom also we can enter. Pass. Pass from my side. Anybody else who has
Mush.
answer? Mushroom.
Yeah, mushroom. I have one more.
Yes.
Which gate can you never open?
Colgate.
Yes, that is
Yeah.
what I heard.
Colgate.
Nice. See now everybody's smiling. That was great. Okay. So, Mr. Cricketer, sorry, Miss Cricketer, what are you doing? What are you wondering? Okay, my cricketer is not looking on the screen only.
What, ma'am?
Miss Cricketer is busy.
No, ma'am. Amir is talking something.
What are you wondering?
Nothing, ma'am.
Okay, starting with our session, level 5. We just have 2 pages so that we're done with this chapter and electricity will be finally over. Okay. True or false? Electricity travels through conductors. Is it true or false?
True.
Perfect.
True.
Okay. What do we call materials that do not conduct electricity?
Bad conductors.
Yes, but there is a proper name. There's a term for bad conductor.
Yeah, insulators.
Very good. Somebody quickly writing insulators.
Okay.
Who's written the answer?
Ma'am, I have written them.
And who's this I?
Hafsa.
Hafsa. Okay, That's great, Afsa. It's very encouraging when you know that before even discussing the answers, my kids are very well versed with all the topics. Thank you, Afsa. Okay, moving on. I know the difference between conductor and insulator. What is the main difference between conductor and insulator?
Ma'am, conductor does let the electricity go, but the insulator doesn't let the electricity
Very
go.
good. So everybody knows the difference now very well without any confusion.
Conductor conducts
No.
electricity and insulator doesn't conduct electricity.
Very good. Okay, moving on to the next part. I understand how insulators protect us. How do they protect us?
By blocking the electricity that so that we don't get current
Very good.
or
Very
shock.
great. Let me just scroll ahead. I hope everybody's knowing the answers, not just few of you all. Let me just clear this. Uh-oh. Okay. Name 3 good conductors of electricity.
Copper,
Conductors.
lumens,
Copper,
aluminium,
aluminium,
silver. Copper, aluminium.
copper,
Copper,
aluminium,
aluminium,
silver.
silver. Perfect. I want you to write it quickly. Very good. Why do scientists use ammeters? Why do we use ammeters?
To measure electricity.
Yes, to measure the current flowing through a circuit. So what is the answer? To measure the current flow through a circuit. Quickly writing the answers and even taking a note of it, because again, this time you have a big assignment to do. Measure, MEA. Okay, one more thing. Why are my assignments not being submitted? I can show it to you. Who all have submitted both the assignments related to electricity? Like in a class of 20, I'm not even getting 2 assignments. Do you want me to scream at you, shout, yell? You want me to do all those stuffs? So why are the assignments not being submitted? I should do. I have the latest one being posted on 28th of, and there were 9, out of which I've marked only 5. Half of the class has not submitted the assignment. Aisha,
Ma'am, which one assignment?
Can you
Sorry?
scroll up?
Ma'am, which one?
Ma'am, I did that assignment.
the
Ma'am,
one
the
that
one
was
you
given on
gave this
28th of November.
textbook photo. The textbook photo you gave.
I did that assignment, ma'am.
See, whose assignment I've received, I'll just give the names: Hafsa, Hamdan, Sara, Umar, and Hamza Sheikh. And I have one more Juwaria. That is all I've received. Half of the class have not received your assignments. So please make it a point that you submit your assignments on time. Okay, I don't want to yell, I don't want to do anything wrong, I don't want to say something wrong. But then please take some time out. I don't give you long assignments that will hardly take in 10 to 15 minutes to solve. I think you can give that much of time. Okay, great. To measure the current in a circuit. Perfect. I can name 3 metals that conduct electricity. We all know 3 metals that conduct electricity.
Copper, aluminium, and silver.
Wow, now it seems like, even if somebody wakes you up night, middle in the night, you'll say copper, aluminum, silver, copper, aluminum, silver. Just become that thorough with you. Okay. I know why we use ammeter. What is the answer? Why do we use ammeter? You know the answer? Who's putting a cross over?
To measure the electricity.
Very good. Who's put a cross over here, beta? I know the difference between a conductor and an insulator. Okay. Okay. Why is copper used in wires and electrical sockets?
Ma'am, because it's a great conductor and it's cheap.
Yes, very good, very good. Metals used in wires have two properties. Name them. Two properties of metal.
To flow the electricity and
What is the term called where a metal can easily flow electricity through it? What is that property called? There is a name to the property. Something that starts with C.
Conductors.
Conductivity. What is it called? Conductivity. One more
Conductivity.
property. And somebody writing it quickly. Conductivity and there's a property where a metal can be drawn into thin wires. What is that property?
Conductivity.
No. Conductivity is a property where a metal can conduct electricity through it. That is a conductivity. But there is one more property where it can be drawn into thin wires. What is the name of that property? Starts with D. D for
brittle.
Forgot? It's ductility. Quickly writing conductivity and ductility. Ductility is a property of a metal where it can be drawn into thin wires. Very good. I want everybody to answer now. Why am I getting answers only with few students? Okay, why are wires covered with plastic? Again, a simple answer. I want Sarah to answer this. Why are wires covered in plastic, beta?
Ma'am, because plastic doesn't conduct electricity, so by chance if anyone touches the wire, they won't get electric shock.
Very good, Sarah. Very well explained. Good, good. Okay, I understand why plastics are used to cover wires, plugs, and switches. We all understand the fact. Okay, I know why aluminium is a metal used in overhead cables. Okay, I explained you this. In spite copper being better than aluminium, why is aluminium used in overhead cables? Anybody who wants to answer?
Copper has thin wires, therefore it cannot hold the heat of the current.
Yes, very good.
So aluminium wires are used because they are thick and it will be less dangerous.
Very good, very good. Because the current that flows through an overhead cable run in lakhs of volts. So you need a strong wire that can bear that much of heat. If we use any other metal apart from aluminium, there are chances that it might melt. So aluminium is the best wire to be used in overhead cables. Okay. Can I move further?
Yes.
Write down three components of a simple circuit. What are the three main components of a circuit? Components are basic parts of a circuit.
Battery,
Bulb.
battery, wires, and bulb.
Very good. Batteries, wires, and bulb. There are other girls. Nobody speaking. I can see only 2 or 3 participating. When are you angry? Zena? Are you angry? Okay. No, not a issue. Why has Hafsa turned off her camera today? Hafsa? Why is your camera off today, beta?
I forgot to turn it on.
Okay, that's not the problem. Somebody quickly writing the answer. Batteries, bulb, and wire. Yes, Hafsa. Can't see Hafsa. Yes. Mr. COVID, why are you so quiet today?
Yes, ma'am.
You understanding it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you understanding what we are doing?
Yes, ma'am. I'm understanding.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
What about the answer over here? I want to answer components of a simple circuit.
Ma'am, I wanted to this one. Draw a circuit diagram for a circuit.
Wires, batteries,
Please do it, Hafsa. Please do it. Is anybody writing down the answer for the components of simple circuit?
Ma'am, but I don't know how a buzzer looks.
A buzzer, I'll just show it to you. A semicircle bit, I'll just draw and I'll show it to you. Till then, please write that answer. Juveria, will you write the answer, beta? 3. Yes. Why are you spelling battery? Who's this? Who's this girl? I'm going to. Who's this? 3 cheers.
This
Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray!
Wire,
Thank you.
beer batty bulb. Bulb.
Who's the child?
bulb.
So I don't want to embarrass anybody, but then
What
it was-
is beer?
What is this? Okay, Hafsa is making a
That's fine.
circuit.
Yes, I'll just show
Yeah.
how does a what do you want to know, beta? Buzzer, yes. Buzzer is something like a semicircle, and then you have the symbols here on the page number, I think so 82 or something. It looks something like this: a semicircle, and then it has a small rod-like structure. Wow, I like your bulbs. Okay. What happens to the bulb if the battery is not connected properly?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I joined in late now. That's why I was like very
The bulb.
behind. I was a bit behind. So, ma'am, I forgot the meaning of ammeter.
Okay. Who's the child? Sad. Okay, that is sad. What is an ammeter? Ammeter is
Yes.
a device that reads the current that is flowing through a circuit. Like I can give you an example.
Ma'am, I'm done with my circuit diagram.
Yes, Vida. Yes.
Ma'am,
Very nice.
Can you share the answer of why do scientists use ammeters?
You want an answer for what, Beta?
The answer of the previous page, in that there's a question, why do scientists use ammeters? That one.
Okay, so can you just note it
These
down?
are the two bulbs. This is the batteries, and this is the wires.
Yes. We use.
Ma'am, I'm making a man.
You can write
See, ma'am,
ammeter.
I made a man. I made a man on the table and he's showing this is a circuit. I made this man.
Nice. Okay, Saad, can you just note it down? Ammeters are used to measure current in a circuit.
Ammeters are used
To measure
to measure measure
Current
the current in the circuit.
circuit. Yes. Any other, you want any other answer? You have any confusion?
No, ma'am, when I go forward, I can say
Okay, great. What is Hamza
Current.
making now? Table.
the current in
Okay,
the
so what will happen if the battery is not connected properly? The bulb will not light up. Simple. Can we move ahead? A person investigate what happens. There are so many cubes. Oh, cube master, where are you? Okay, quickly moving ahead. A person investigates that what happened to a circuit when the number of bulb is changed. The person also changes the number of batteries. Is it a fair test? Can I change? No. The answer is wrong. What is a fair test? A test will be
Ma'am,
called fair.
No, ma'am, it's not equal.
Ma'am, in fair test, you are only able to move
Ma'am.
one thing and change only one thing.
Very good. A test will be called as a fair test when we change only one thing, irrespective of it being changed equally. But only changing one thing at a time will be called as a fair test. So what will be the answer? No, it will not be a fair test. A test will be called fair only when only one thing or any one component in a circuit will be changed. Okay?
Ma'am, so like test, like on that test we can add one thing at a time.
Yes, we can only change one thing at a time, either number of batteries or the bulb or the current that is flowing, any one thing at a time.
Ma'am, maybe we should change the number of batteries so the bulb will light even brighter.
Yes, if we
Ma'am,
increase the number of
can we
batteries,
say copper as the best conductor of electricity?
copper is not, silver is the best conductor. On number one, it is silver. But when we consider all different aspects,
Okay.
then comes copper. But if you only collect the
We can say it is one of the
conducting
best
material is silver.
conductor
Sorry?
of electricity.
Ma'am,
We can
can
see.
you make us do
Ma'am,
something
can we
like
say?
make a circuit diagram and put this into it?
Sorry, Akshay, I did not get you, beta. What circuit diagram?
Ma'am,
Circuit diagram. You give us your own circuit diagram and we are going to make it in a blank page.
Okay, done. I'll do that. Like after we, because like hardly I have I'll take 5 more minutes, then I'll just share my whiteboard with you and I'll ask everybody of you to make a circuit from your end. Okay, that will be quite interesting. Chalo. Now no scribbling on the page. Let me just complete this and then I'll give you last
Yes, ma'am.
this. Everybody will get this and everybody has to draw on the whiteboard. Okay. Let me just finish this off quickly. Okay. Okay, I can name the components of a simple circuit. Can we all name components of a simple circuit, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so then we put a right tick over there. I understand that electricity will not flow if there is a break in the circuit. Everybody understands that if there is a break in a circuit, the electricity will not be able to
Yes, ma'am.
flow. Okay. Yes. I know how to carry out a fair test. Now everybody understands how to carry out a fair
Yes,
test.
ma'am. I know it.
Sorry, Afsa. Oh, Umar is so confident. He's putting tick, 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 tick. Fair test. Chalo, draw a symbol of battery quickly. How are batteries being drawn? Yes, one terminal has to be positive, another has to be negative. Draw a symbol of a bulb. Quickly write, drawing a bulb. There are so many bulbs, so everybody drawing together. My house will light up brighter now. Great, very good. It's circle with a cross in it. अरे भैया दिवाली नहीं है. Okay, okay, no more bulbs. Okay. Draw a circuit diagram with a battery, with a buzzer and two bars. This is what we'll do. So we can skip this as for now.
Have the bigger drawing. My drawing is the biggest.
What is this? What has happened?
Hafsa drew a black square.
Why has my screen turned blank?
Ma'am, it's annotation of Hafsa's.
Second. Okay. Okay. Okay, the circuit drawing will do. I know how to draw a series circuit diagram using symbols. We know all the symbols. Chalo. Now we have more kind of 10-15 minutes. Now everybody will draw a circuit. Let me just share my whiteboard and I'll assign everybody who will draw. Okay, I want 4 participants at a time. I want Zaina, Saad, Aisha. Chalo, 3 participants. Okay. What are you all going to
Ma'am,
do?
which Aisha?
There are 2 Aisha, Aisha Aga and Aisha Kazi. Aisha Kazi. Okay. What are you going to draw? 2 bulbs, ammeter, and a battery. Quick. 3 diagrams. I can fit 3 diagrams into my screen. What are we going to draw? Let me just write it down so you don't get confused. 2 batteries. Sorry, 2 bulbs, battery, and ammeter. So we are drawing it. Okay. What is happening? Very good. So quickly making circuits.
Ma'am, I've made these boxes because you gave us 3, so it will be like all 12. So for all 12, we are gonna do 4. Now in the one box, the first one you said they are going to do it in this box. Second is going to go on the other box. Third one they are going to do on the other box, and the fourth ones are going to do on the other box.
Perfect. So Zuveria, can you draw one more circuit? It can be Zuveria. So we have Zainab,
Yeah.
Aisha, Zuveria, and Saad. Just
Ma'am.
assist me with this thing.
Ma'am, Shan covered my circuit with white color. Yeah,
Is
no.
it so? Yes.
Some people are drawing on my circuit, ma'am.
Okay, not a problem. Okay, can you help me with this?
No
pen?
drawing on the circuits.
Ma'am, how many batteries?
Just 1 battery. 2 bulbs and an ammeter. I want the ammeter also. Okay, can I kind of take a screenshot on my laptop? Is that possible?
Ma'am, that's possible.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I capture the screen?
Yes, you have to press the Windows print in at the same time.
Window and
Ma'am,
yes.
there is a question. The metals have 2 properties in wire. So I wrote the answer negative and positive. Is there an answer right?
No, beta. It is conductivity and ductility. What is
Okay.
conductivity? Conductivity is a property where it can conduct. It can flow electricity easily through it. That is called as conductivity.
Conductivity and ductivity.
Ductility. D-U-C-T-I-L-I-T-Y. What is ductility?
Ma'am, how to draw an ammeter?
A circle with an A in it.
Okay.
Why is the third box kind of blank? Why is this one blank? I know there is something being drawn, but since it has been erased, can you just do it quickly?
Ma'am, I was drawing over there, but then someone drew over it, so I'm drawing over here.
Okay.
Ma'am, may you give me permission? I'm going to draw a perfect diagram.
Who is this?
Hafsa, ma'am.
I made the circuit. This is my circuit. This one.
Okay, quickly just doing so that everybody gets an opportunity of drawing a circuit. The diagram looks more like a cartoon. Very good.
Okay, the one who is done, may you not annotate?
Okay, we have ammeter, we've got 2 bulbs and a battery. Okay, very good, very good, very good. What about this? Who's doing this one, the third one?
Ma'am, may you give us, ma'am, may you give me a permission to make?
You want, who wants a permission to make what?
Ma'am, Hafsa Khan.
Hafsa Khan, you want to make a circuit now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, let this, lol. Okay, chalo, no law. I want to send this screenshot to the principal. No making law. Okay, you do not tell me how do I click a screenshot?
Ma'am, first you press the start button, the Windows and print screen in the same time.
Start button
Start
and
and
the
print
Windows
screen.
button together.
No, Windows button and print screen button.
Where is the print screen button? Where is
Print
it?
screen is
Yes, I can see
on the top right.
TRIST. Okay.
On the top right. It is there.
I got it. Oh, I took a
It is
I took a screenshot.
PRTSC. That is print screen.
It is PRINT screen. Print screen.
PRTSC.
Yes,
print screen.
yes.
Screen. Yes, I have to press both at the same time.
Okay.
Ma'am, you took a
And where will
screenshot?
this- And where will this image be stored, Aisha? This screenshot will be stored where?
You have to go in the folder, and when you when you click on pictures, then you will get like screenshots option. Then you can
Ma'am,
open
you are
that
editing in the
screenshot.
PC?
No, in a laptop.
Yeah, so the laptop you go in the photos, then you it will be there
Okay,
in the
picture.
photos only.
Oh,
And
Yeah,
if it's not there, go to library and go to screenshots. It will be there.
oh,
Ma'am,
But
maybe I that for 2 batteries, for 2 bulbs, 1 battery is not enough.
sorry, one battery.
Ma'am, I'm saying for 2 bulbs, 1 battery is not enough, right?
Yes, it
Ma'am,
is enough
but why are you taking the screenshot?
because I want to send it to the principal.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Okay, great. So, and now who wants Hafsa? And then who will be the next one who will do it? Let me just see your face. Hafsa, Sarah, Zara, Kazi, and Shan. Okay. So let me just clear this.
I'm making the boxes and everyone will have to do inside their boxes only.
Yes, that would be very convenient. Let me just clear this one. Okay, now make the boxes so that everybody does it in their boxes itself. Now, quickly because we have 5 minutes and then I'll just end this lecture. Zara, Kazi,
These are the boxes we are going to do into.
perfect. Your question says draw 2 batteries, 2 bulbs, open switch, 2 batteries, 2 bulbs, and an open switch. How does an open switch and a closed switch look like? Anybody who knows it? How does it look?
Ma'am, I know it.
Anybody who can just draw it in one side, open switch and close switch?
Ma'am, the close switch has a line and two dots and the bottom.
Perfect.
And the open switch has an open line and two dots.
Okay. I'll just show it to you. Till that time, you can just kind of do your circuit. I'll just show it to you. How does a closed switch and an open switch exactly look like?
Ma'am, you see mine, this is an open switch.
Yes, this is an open switch. Very good. See, this is a closed switch where you have a line with two dots. And if you want to make an open switch, there'll be two dots, but the other will not be connected. This looks like an open switch.
Ma'am, may you please tell it again? What do we have to draw in ours?
Two batteries, two bulbs, and a closed switch. Two batteries, two bulbs, and a closed switch. Very good, very good. And a closed switch. The green diagram is completed. Hafsa Khan, very good Hafsa. A closed switch, yes, perfect. What about Shan? I can see just two bulbs. Shan is supposed to make two batteries and a closed switch.
Ma'am, how does a closed switch look like?
It looks like this, two dots with a straight line. Simply what you can do, you can just put two dots.
Ma'am, this is the switch from outside. And then I'm
No,
going to
not
put
from
here a
outside.
battery container. Ma'am, here. This.
Yes, yes, very good.
I'm making the how it will look like from outside as well.
Acha.
And now here will be the two batteries.
Perfect, perfect. Did I assign only 3 names?
No, ma'am, you did 4.
So where is the fourth circuit? I told Sarah, did you make Sarah?
Ma'am, can you draw the battery for me? The switch. Can you draw the switch for me?
Yes. Shan, you want to draw? You want me to draw the switch?
Yeah.
Okay, give me a second.
Ma'am, which one I should draw?
The same one you have to draw over here. Two
It's circuit
batteries,
type.
two bulbs, and a closed switch.
ये बनाने में.
Shan, simply what are you going to do is
From outside as well.
you just change the colors so that you understand. For a closed circuit, we'll be just making these two dots. One dot over here, another dot kind of over here. This is a closed switch. In case you want to show that
Ma'am, can you
yes.
see I have completed my circuit? It's on the right, top right.
Sorry, Beta.
My circuit is complete. I did
अरे
my
वहाँ
top
पे
right.
कुछ आ गया था उसके स्क्रीन पे.
Okay.
कहाँ से गूगल से कुछ न्यूज आ रही थी. तू बंद कर दे वो वहाँ से आ जा.
Kids, can you
हाँ
take
तो उसको
attention?
पहले
Please mute yourself, Beta. Okay, so this is an example of a open switch and this is an example of a closed switch. Okay, I hope everything is clear up till now. Ending my
Yes,
session over
ma'am.
here.
It's clear.
We are done with this chapter, and then definitely
No,
in next
ma'am.
next lecture we'll start the new chapter, caring for the environment. Okay. Till then, goodbye. Have a great day ahead.
Ma'am, everything is done in
Yes,
this
this
chapter.
chapter has been
Okay.
completed.
Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. It was enjoyment in making the circuit.
Thank you.